Hopefully you can see my screen, my PowerPoint presentation. Right, so one good way is that you build a database of your potential clients, whether it is care homes, whether it's NHS in terms of CCGs, clinical commissioning groups, whether it is, for example, NHS hospitals that you want to work with. And that could be private sector hospitals. It could be secure units, which are private, as well as the NHS mental health hospitals, for example. So you've got to look at building a database for the clients that you want to work with. And that's important for you to do because, as I said, as a business owner, you need to be looking for contracts on a daily basis. But also you've got to think about, if you haven't started, then what services are you going to do? Or maybe you're going to enhance and diversify and add another service to your healthcare business that you've already got running. And I hope that you are doing this. If you are a business owner that's already up and running, you should be looking at diversifying, getting more types of services added on to what you're currently doing, because you will just stay stagnant. You're not going to break that glass ceiling if you continue staying just in one type of agency, for example. Okay, so what type of services are you going to provide? Are you going to be a recruitment agency? Are you going to be a home care agency? What age group are you going to be serving? Will it be adults? For example, 18 to 24 to 25, for example. Or is it 18 to 65 plus? Or 18 to 65? So write that down for those of you that are not up and running yet. You still need to be making these notes so you've got a clear vision of where you're going. And the same for you. If you are up and running, you may be doing home care. So what about doing recruitment, where you're sending nurses and support workers into hospitals? What about doing that as well? So then you need to look at, okay, if I was doing home care in the community, I now want to do recruitment, add recruitment to the company. Then I'm going to do nurses, support workers, and locums, for example, doctors. Okay, so what age group will you be serving? Maybe you was doing adults. Maybe you want to look at doing children's services. You know, you've got children's services, adults. There's also elderly as well. So you need to write this down and think about diversifying if you are a business up and running. If not, then the world is your oyster. So you choose what you're going to work on first, and this can be your 12-month plan. And the same for business owners up and running. You can do a 12-month plan of this so that you can diversify.